Your home's curb appeal plays a crucial role in how it's perceived by visitors, potential buyers, and even passers-by. As the first impression of your property, the exterior of your home is often the deciding factor in whether it stands out or blends into the background. In Pasadena, where architectural styles vary from charming historic homes to modern builds, one of the easiest ways to enhance curb appeal is by upgrading your windows. Replacing old, outdated windows with new, high-quality ones not only boosts the aesthetic value of your home but also improves its energy efficiency and overall functionality. Here's how new windows can improve your Pasadena home's curb appeal. Modern aesthetic for instant transformation. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of new windows is the transformation in your home's appearance. Old windows, especially those with worn-out frames, cracked glass, or outdated designs, can make your home look tired and neglected. In contrast, new windows bring a fresh, clean look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you choose traditional double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or sleek picture windows, the right style can complement your home's architectural design and elevate its visual appeal. For Pasadena homes with historical charm, selecting windows that match the period's style, such as wood-clad windows with a classic design, can preserve the home's character while giving it a fresh update. For newer homes, contemporary window designs with clean lines and energy-efficient features can modernize the exterior and provide a more polished and sophisticated appearance. Increased natural light and better views. Windows are more than just an aesthetic feature. They're a gateway to the outside world, letting natural light flood your interiors and offering beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. By upgrading to larger, more expansive windows or incorporating larger glass panes, you can enhance the flow of natural light into your home. This creates a more inviting and vibrant atmosphere inside and adds to the overall appeal of the exterior. In Pasadena, with its sunny climate and picturesque surroundings, maximizing the natural light and scenic views through larger, modern windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. New windows can make your home appear brighter and more spacious, giving it a welcoming, open feel both from the inside and outside. Energy efficiency for long-term savings. While curb appeal is about aesthetics, energy efficiency is a key factor in your home's overall value. New windows are designed with modern materials and technology that improve insulation, reduce drafts, and prevent heat from escaping in the winter or entering in the summer. This makes your home more energy efficient and comfortable year-round. In Pasadena, where the climate can fluctuate dramatically between seasons, energy-efficient windows can have a huge impact on your energy bills. Not only do energy-efficient windows make your home more comfortable, but they also contribute to long-term savings. New windows with features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills provide better thermal insulation, reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. This makes your home more environmentally friendly and sustainable, which is an attractive feature for potential buyers who value energy efficiency. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Another important aspect of curb appeal is the security of your home. Outdated or damaged windows can make your home vulnerable to intruders, while new windows with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials offer improved security. Many modern windows come with multi-point locks, which provide a stronger seal and make it harder for intruders to break in. Choosing windows with shatter-resistant glass or impact-resistant features can also protect your home from weather-related damage, such as high winds or storms. In Pasadena, where seasonal storms can sometimes pose a risk, installing windows that offer better protection can add to your home's security, giving you peace of mind and enhancing its overall curb appeal. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require regular maintenance, such as painting, sealing, and repairing broken parts. This can be a time-consuming and costly process. In contrast, new windows are designed to be low maintenance and more durable. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames require little to no maintenance, as they are resistant to rot, fading, and weather damage. By replacing your old windows with low-maintenance options, you not only enhance your home's appearance but also reduce the amount of time and money you spend on upkeep. This makes new windows an appealing choice for homeowners who want a hassle-free solution that improves both the beauty and functionality of their home. Increased home value. Home improvements that enhance curb appeal can have a significant impact on your property's value, and window replacement is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that are well-maintained and visually appealing, and new windows can make your home stand out in a competitive market. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or are simply looking to improve its long-term value, investing in new windows is a smart decision. Energy-efficient windows, updated designs, and better functionality all add to the overall marketability of your home, ensuring that it remains an attractive option for potential buyers. Eco-friendly upgrades. In addition to enhancing your home's curb appeal, new windows can also help make your home more eco-friendly. Many modern windows are made with environmentally conscious materials that reduce waste and improve your home's overall sustainability. Energy-efficient windows reduce your carbon footprint by minimizing the energy required to heat or cool your home, contributing to a greener environment. For homeowners in Pasadena who are committed to sustainability, window replacement is an easy way to make an eco-friendly upgrade that reduces energy consumption and supports environmental goals. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your Pasadena home's curb appeal. From enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home's exterior to boosting energy efficiency and security, new windows offer a wide range of benefits. Whether you're looking to make your home more comfortable, increase its value, or reduce maintenance, window replacement is an investment that pays off both in the short and long term. By choosing the right windows, you'll create a more beautiful, functional, and sustainable home that stands out in the best way possible.